Hello and welcome to Karatbars International video tutorial. In this video we will explain how to register for Karatpay. Please go to www.karatbars.com and click on the login button on the very top right of the page and log into your Karatbars account with your username and password. Once you successfully logged in, you enter the back office. The back office is your private and protected Karatbars area where you can look up all information about your account, change settings on your profile information, place purchases, and learn about your commissions and many other things. You will always begin on the dashboard after logging in. On the bottom left-hand corner of the page, you will find the Register Karatpay button. Please validate your data and read carefully our terms and conditions. Accept them by clicking the box. After that, click on Register. You should now see the message, your Karatpay registration was successful. Now log into your mail account and locate the email from Karatpay. Open the email and click the link. On the Karatpay page, please enter your registered email address and the last 5 digits of your wallet account which you received with the email. If this is successfully done, please go back to your email account and locate the second email from Karatpay and click the link. On the Karatpay page, you have to enter again your last 5 digits of your wallet account. Here you can finish your registration by validating your data. You have to create your password and also create security answers as well. At the last step, please click on the Register User at the bottom of the page. Now you can use your login credentials to access your account. This completes our tutorial of Karatpay, and we thank you for your attention today.